Hi, my name is Victor with Herc Entertainment over here in Burbank. We're here today to go over the 100-ton chiller startup and shutdown procedures. We have Juan, our field technician, that will actually show you exactly what is needed to be done to get the chiller ongoing. Thank you.
All right, so first thing you do is go to control power, let it boot up. Take about 10 seconds. So or more. Until you see the screen that shows you oil pressure, fuel and hours. Then you go to run. Press run. Once it shows you the oil pressure at 78, you can press run again to get it to rated speed. Once it's up to rated speed, about 480. The contactor close, and that will send power to the chiller. So this is your main breaker for the chiller system. Make sure that's on. Then you come here. Make sure you have a green light, no red light. The red light must be off. However, when you first turn it on, you'll see this is the breaker for the pump as well as for the electronics on the chiller. You go to system switch, hit the pump, you'll hear the pump running. Then you come back here to the side of the. Then you come here and you see it says system switch off, system switch off. Then you go to options, 1, 2. You go arrow up, system 1 switch on, system 2 switch on. You press enter. Go to status, and you'll see the timer running down. Once the timer gets to 0, you'll hear the compressor. AC, please, AC. Every morning before you come in and turn on the chiller, you want to make sure that the water pressure here and there are about anywhere above 40 psi. If it's anywhere below 40 psi, you must add water to it. because that's what, if not, you'll start getting faults such as low suction pressure or freezing. So now that we're starting the chiller up, we're looking at what you're looking at is the water temperature leaving the chiller, going to the air handler inside the stage. Give it about 20-25 minutes for the chiller to do this thing and lower the temperature of the water to about below 60 degrees before you turn on the air handler. Now that our chiller is up and running, our water temperature is down below 60 degrees. The system has built enough pressure to operate. We come inside the studio and start the air handler. First thing we do is hit the main disconnect. If you see the phase incorrect red light flash on and off, it's fine. As long as the light does not stay on, then you're good to go. Power on light, green. Then you want to come to the system switch. You want to go to BFD.
Third order.
You'll see the BFD light on. This right here controls the fan speed. If you want it low, you want it high. Another option to operating the air handler is with the remote switch. This will allow you to turn on the air handler on and off as desired, and Mario here is going to show you guys how this works. So now that he hit the switch, you'll start hearing the air handler start ramping up and airflow.
Okay, and that's your startup procedure. Now we'll show you the shutdown procedure.
The first step in the shutdown procedure is go up to options. Press options twice. Press the down arrow to where it says System 1 switch off, System 2 switch off. Press enter, and that will shut down the chiller. Now you come here, back to the control panel, and you shut down the pump, then you shut down the system switch, and that's about it.